Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to download and install the NYMCU mobile banking app so you can manage your finances on the go. So let's get started. So first, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store and tap on the search icon usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the search bar at the top, type NYMCU mobile banking and hit search. Now look for the app developed by Municipal Credit Union and tap on it. Now tap on the install button to begin downloading the app to your device. With the NYMCU mobile banking app, you can deposit checks by taking a photo, pay bills and transfer funds, check your account balances, and locate nearby ATMs and branches. If you already have an account to this mobile banking, enter your user ID and password to log in. If you are a new user, tap on register and follow the prompts to enroll the NYMCU digital banking. Okay, once the installation is complete, tap open to launch the NYMCU mobile banking app. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the NYMCU mobile banking app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.